You playing with your cars?
Yeah. Just walking day.
Okay, now do it.
Just walking day.
Yeah, press the other one. Use the other remote control.
Where? By my honey. Oh!
Whoa, you made it flip.
It's flip.
Yeah? Can I get a kiss?
No!
You love that thing, huh? Yalla, go get your car so you can play on the racetrack. Get the car so you can play on the racetrack.
Help me. Help me with my car. I put my socks on. I broke it.
You can't step on it.
I broke it.
No, you didn't.
Watch out.
Get the car. It's underneath the cardboard.
Cardboard. You use this one. I use that one. I use that one. I use that one. Okay? Wait, other one. Other one. Oopsie. Oopsie.
You can't make it go too fast when you're on the flip. You can't press it all the way down.
I did it. I was like...
Jacob.
No.
You guys, leave the remote control down when you go get it.
I don't want to. When you want to.
That was a bad flip. Jacob, whose toy is this?
Mine.
How many loops does it have? 3 loops.
Yeah. Can you get that?
Go ahead.
Oh, fast. Can you get that?
Let me show you how it's done.